The Centers for Disease Control is urging doctors nationwide to closely monitor pregnant patients who may have recently traveled to the Caribbean or Latin America, areas where the Zika virus is now spreading unchecked, putting unborn children at risk. There are several cases now reported in the U.S. We get details from NBC's Tom Costello.
That you can pick up, and I don't know if you've heard about the Zika virus.
The CDC's health alert to doctors: be on the lookout for signs of the Zika virus in pregnant women who've returned from countries or territories that health agencies are urging women who are pregnant or hope to become pregnant to avoid.
The baby's a good size.
Tara Pierce is 34 years old and pregnant. Even though she loves traveling with her husband, she's now staying put in New York.
I would definitely not be looking to travel to any of the affected areas because I don't want to put the baby at risk.
Researchers believe the Zika virus can cause microcephaly in unborn babies, abnormally small heads and brains. But it's not clear during which trimester a baby is most at risk.
Not do the international travel.
In New York, Dr. Jill Rabin is telling patients to stay away from the region, but if they can't, cover up and wear mosquito repellent.
The DEET spray is safe for women in pregnancy, so we're telling them to use the DEET and stay inside if possible and travel outside, to a minimum.
So far, the CDC is aware of just 12 adults who've returned to the U.S. with the Zika virus over the past year, including 2 pregnant women in Illinois and 1 in Hawaii. Now it's urging doctors to test for the virus and closely monitor women who've returned from Zika hot zones. The good news for most people, the Zika virus brings only mild symptoms. Once you've had it, you should not get it again.
You'll be immune, and if you decide to get pregnant years in the future, there's absolutely no cause for concern.
But with Brazil's Carnival and Olympic Games soon coming, the fear is that Zika could also spread, with both mosquitoes and their victims arriving at U.S. airports. Tom Costello, NBC News.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here, and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.